Hello everybody, Zachary Fruling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through a fairly large number of old TI-99 4A type-in programs from computer users group newsletters, computer books, and computer magazines from the late 1970s and all the way through the 1980s and into the early 1990s. The program I'm going to work on today is called Arrow, and this is by Danny Cox, which you can see on the screen here. Apparently this was reprinted in a couple different users group newsletters, but I'm looking at the version that was reprinted in the Bayou Byte from looks like December 1986. It's not a very long program, but let's read the brief program description, then we'll get into TI Extended Basic and the Classic 99 emulator, which emulates a TI-99 4A in a modern PC. We'll type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, so Arrow. This is another demonstration of the almost unbelievable power and capabilities of the 99 4A sprites in Extended Basic. This program was taken from the A9CUG Call newsletter, March 1986 issue, by way of the Piedmont 99ers Computer Group, August 1986 issue. Okay, so let's get into Extended Basic. This is the TI-99 4A start screen. Press any key to begin. Press 2 for Extended Basic. I already have the Extended Basic cartridge loaded into the emulator. And let's get typing. So it looks like we're just starting with line number 1. Okay. And have a comment right off the bat here. Let's count the asterisks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 asterisks. And leaving a space there, nope, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 2. Okay, looks like asterisk, space by Danny Cox, space, asterisk. 3. 16 asterisks. Okay. 4, just an empty comment line for pure aesthetic readability purposes. Okay, 5, call magnify 4. Colon, space, call clear. Space, colon, space, call screen 2. And that's all for line 5. Line 6, call CHAR, and we have character 96. We have a long string of hexadecimal here. So let's see, how many F's do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 F's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, then we have, let's see, 7F, 3F, 1F. 7F, 3F, 1F. Okay, 0F, 07, 03, 01. 0F, 07, 03, 01. C0. E0, F0. Okay, looks like F8, FC, oh yeah, F8, FC, FE, F8, FC, FE, and then a bunch more F's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 F's again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And that should be all she wrote for that call ch error statement. I've got to flip pages here, so hang tight. There we go. Okay, 7 for x equals 7 to 4 step minus 1. X equals 7 to 4 step minus 1. That's all for line 7. It's not a very long program. 8, r equals 190. Space, colon, colon, space. C equals 250. These are row and column, but not in terms of characters, in terms of pixels on the screen, I believe. I think. Okay. Is that all for line 8? It is. Line 9. For I equals 1 to 25. Space, colon, colon, space. Call Sprite. Okay, I saw number I. 96. R and D plus 3. R and C. Okay. Colon, colon, space. R equals R minus X. Space, colon, colon, space. C equals C minus 7. Space, colon, colon, space. Next I. 10. R equals 190, C equals 250. Okay, 11. For I equals 25 to 1. Step minus 1. Space, colon, colon, space, call Sprite. Number I. Comma. 96. Comma. R and D plus 3. And R and C for row and column, I think. Colon, colon, space. R equals R minus X. C equals C minus 7. Colon, colon, space. Next I. 12. Next X. 13. For X equals 5 to 7. That's all for 13, yep. 14. R equals 190. C equals 250. $15 for I equals 1 to 25. Call Sprite. Number I. 96. R and D plus 3. R and C, same thing. R and D plus 3, R and C. R equals R minus X. C equals C minus 7. And next I, 16. R equals 190. C equals 250. 17. For I equals 25 to 1, step minus 1. Space, colon, colon, space. Hello to everyone tuning in. I see people starting to tune in. Hello. Just working on an old type-in program called Arrow. It's a Sprite demo program for the TI-99 4A home computer from way back in the mid-1980s. Okay, call Sprite. Number I, 96, R and D plus 3, R and C, colon, colon, space, R equals R minus X, and C equals C minus 7, colon, colon, next I, 18, next X, and go to 7. That is all she wrote. Let's clear the screen and list the program before we run it. We're looking for any obvious errors, syntax errors, math errors, typos, anything of that sort. And just because we don't see it doesn't mean there aren't any, but we're going to look at and check it out real quick. The only thing that concerns me, of course, is that long hexadecimal string in line number 6. Everything else I was pretty careful on, so let's run it and see what we get. This is Arrow by Danny Cox. That's an arrow. Oh, hey, Odd, how you doing? I'm just doing this weird little Sprite demo program called Arrow. Wackadoodle little program. Just in time to see it. Not sure you're seeing a lady. You know, to me, just something doesn't look right about this program. Did I make a mistake somewhere? That's just maybe that's all the program does. I think that's all the program does. I think it looks right. The colors look a little weird to me. Like they must have. It can't be right, but maybe it is. Let's. So yeah, there's no problem there. I guess it's this part that's controlling the color, right? So it must just be randomizing between the two different shades of green. There's no randomized statement. Well, let's run it again. You know, I guess it's not exactly what I expected, but it's, I guess, interesting nonetheless. It's an arrow. Let's get a screenshot of our arrow here. So yeah, we've had a pretty nice day. It was Susan's birthday, and she's out with a friend of hers for her birthday. We had some birthday cake and nice mellow day at home. Yeah, it's just all around a mellow day. Nice day. I think if I were writing this program, I would have jazzed up the color a little bit. Like something's just a little wrong about the colors here. Could have made it more interesting. But I didn't write the program, so it is what it is. Not one to be too critical. It is a short program, it is. I guess I'm such a visual person. If I make something visual on the screen, I want it to look really cool, you know? It's a little hypnotic. Who says you can't have the world? It could do more, definitely. I think I would just want to change the colors a bit, so every square is a different color. Just alternating between two colors is remarkably dissatisfying, I think. I know one of these days I should probably type these programs in on my actual TI. It's just so much easier to stream using Classic 99. Yeah, I like these short programs because they're like little techniques you can use to throw into any program you're working on, any game, any demonstration program, whatever. So yeah, that's Arrow by Danny Cox. Again, this is a reprint of a reprint, so you know, I'm noticing that in a lot of these old users group newsletters that there are transcription errors all over the place. You know, a program has been hand copied 2 or 3 times and little errors creep in. So, you know, unless I'm looking at the original, I'm not 100% certain that I've got the real deal. But this is the one that appeared in the, what is it, the Bayou, let's see, what was the name of this users group? Bayou something. Bayou Byte, December 1986. But according to the listing here, it started in the A9 CUG call newsletter and by way of the Piedmont 99ers computer group, and finally ended up here in the Bayou Byte. So who knows if this is the real deal or not. If I discover the original program and discover that it's cooler than this, I'll do an updated version at some point. So yeah, that was Arrow. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video, and I might do another one tonight, I might not. So you know, if you happen to see me on again, say howdy. But yeah, I may or may not. I've got some other things I want to work on too. And then, man, it's the end of the year. I can't believe it. So hopefully, again, happy. I had said this yesterday, but Happy New Year to everyone again. Hopefully everyone has a better 2026 than 2025. And I have a long list of TI-99 4A content I want to do. So make sure you keep tuning in and catch out all my videos I have yet to do, all the ones I'm going to do in 2026 coming up. So if you're watching this, yeah, have a good night, Dodd. If you happen to be watching this after the fact on my YouTube channel, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under my real name, Zachary Fruehling, or under my Twitch handle, Cozy Azeroth, for lots more TI-99 4A content, some retro programming, retro gaming, some World of Warcraft live streaming, some modern game development, and miscellaneous educational videos on a wide variety of topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. And if you happen to be watching this live on Twitch, like Odd is right now, be sure to say hi in the chat and or participate as you see fit. And again, check out my YouTube channel for past live streams and all the above. In any case, I appreciate likes and follows and especially subscriptions, all of which help me out greatly in these very challenging and troubling financial times. Thank you very much, and I'll be back again soon with another TI-99 4A demo program. Take care now.